Bullish Oasis network cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 33 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Rose could reach 15 cents by 2025. Bearish Oasis network market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Oasis network presentation. Oasis network has previously drawn in a great deal of interest from the local area with its central goal to offer DApps and the information economy a fast and safe climate. An expansion in normal exchanging cost was welcomed on the new news. For data on the fate of the resource, see our Oasis network value expectation. Be that as it may, how does various elements affect the Oasis network cost expectation? Here is a rundown of the venture in general before we investigate the Rose cost forecast. What is the Oasis network? Oasis Labs, laid out in 2018 by teacher Sunrise Toon of the College of California, Berkeley, is the essential maker of the Oasis network. Oasis network creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability. It portrays itself as the principal security-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a dependable information economy. The network's in reverse similarity with the Ethereum blockchain, which was delivered in October 2020, empowers the development of decentralized applications like the decentralized trade Uniswap from Ethereum to the Oasis blockchain. The network's local utility cache, called Rose, is utilized for marking and designation at the agreement layer, as well concerning paying exchange charges. Out of a complete fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off flow supply of 1.5 billion. Over the long haul, delegators and stakers will get motivations for defending the network in how much around 2.3 billion tokens. Uniswap. The presentation of Uniswap and its fast ascent in fame among financial backers might assist the network with turning into a significant future player in the cryptographic money market. The decentralized trade was made utilizing Oasis Network's Emerald, a distributed market producer-based shrewd agreement biological system. The biological system and the Ethereum virtual machine are viable. Clients can likewise trade non-fungible tokens and cash on 6 extra notable blockchains. Oasis Network's Rose gives off an impression of being a coin to watch with significantly less expensive gas charges than rivals like Ethereum, an enormous number of famous financial backers backing the venture, and the main it effectively sent. How might this affect the 2022 and past Oasis Network valuing forecasts? To place the contemplations of the specialists in context, we should initially analyze what the specialists understand to be true regarding the coin's ongoing presentation. Oasis Network Specialized Examination. In spite of the fact that it is hard to give 100% exact specialized examination to the Oasis Network cryptographic money trading views, strong specialized examination apparatus permits you to see the amassed Rose trade rating continuously for the picked time span. The most generally utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are the groundwork of the ROSE USD report. Gov Capital, in a hopeful figure, gives Rose a bullish cost expectation for quite a long time. The stage predicts a reliable expansion in the normal exchanging cost of the token. Moreover, digital coin price likewise sees the coin expanding in esteem. The gateway predicts an expansion in normal cost, however, at a somewhat more slow speed. Oasis Network current cost. Oasis Network is right now worth 3 cents USD. Rose has moved 0.41% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,484,932. Oasis Network is right now positioned 112 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $201,095,887 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Oasis Network to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Oasis Network Rose cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform 8 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Rose's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 6 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 7 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 12 cents and Rose might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 11 cents and a low of 10 cents in 2024. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Oasis Network effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2025. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 15 cents, with a base cost of 13 cents and a typical cost of 14 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 17 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 17 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Rose has a greatest value worth of 18 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 21 cents. On the off chance that Rose figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 22 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Rose needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 20 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2028. While Rose is endeavoring towards interoperability between networks to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 24 cents and a yearly cost close above 25 cents in 2028. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Oasis Network will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 27 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 29 cents, averaging out at 28 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Rose cost in 2030 is projected to be 33 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 32 cents in. The drive seems to have guarantee, yet it is yet hazy the way in which it will create and whether the network's drawn-out objectives will be understood. Huge Tech is going under more noteworthy investigation for its information mining practices, and discussion over how individuals ought to ultimately claim and benefit from their own data is heightening. The thought set up by the Oasis network appears, on a fundamental level, to resolve a main problem with protection and a decrease in trust in both privately owned businesses and legislatures, the two of which look unfit or reluctant to establish the important limitations. What is the Oasis network cost today? Today, Oasis Network is exchanging at 3 cents with a complete market capitalization of $201,095,887. Is Oasis Network a wise speculation? Oasis Network ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Rose is a decent decision of venture. How high might Oasis at any point network go? The typical cost of Oasis Network might potentially reach 4 cents this year. Over the course of the